Amir Khan, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Priyanka Chopra, Ratan Tata, and Ramdev Baba. Who would you vote for and why?
Thank you for the question, Malaika. In these particular elections, I believe that all the candidates have equally contributed to make our country shine. But the candidate that I would vote for will be Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
हमको सिर्फ एक ही खिलाड़ी है जो मैं हमेशा चाहूंगी मेरी टीम में हो, पर वो कभी नहीं होंगे, और वो है धोनी। क्योंकि मैं धोनी की जब आईपीएल शुरू हुआ तब मैं उनकी फैन नहीं थी, पर ये 10 सालों में जो मैंने उनको देखा है, समझा है, उनको बहुत एडमायर करती हूँ मैं। लास्ट ईयर सबने कहा था कि धोनी को नहीं खेलना चाहिए, और इस साल देखो, सो ही इज अनबिलीवेबल। एंड आई थिंक जब कोई इंसान एक मुकाम पे पहुंच जाता है, I think it's unfair at every step to challenge them or who they are. He doesn't need to tell people who he is. He is Dhoni. So I really admire him क्योंकि वो देश के कप्तान भी रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने बहुत जबरदस्त कप्तानी की। उनके अंडर इंडिया काफी जीती है। उनको अगर आप ग्राउंड पे भी देखो तो वो एकदम काम और कलेक्टेड रहते हैं। हार में भी ग्रेसफुल रहते हैं, जीत में तो ऑब्वियसली ही इज अमेजिंग। सो
How do you see MS Dhoni as the prime icon of India?
I think he's absolutely fantastic. I'm a huge Dhoni fan. I think what he's done for the team is phenomenal. I was there at the finals when India was, playing, and I got lost. I remember my longest memory of that is that I was stuck in I had to request somebody for me to allow them to stay in their house for 5 hours, because when we all came out after the match got over, it felt like, we've just got independence or something, because the roads were just blocked. My car couldn't reach me. My security was on some other side. And I was just standing alone. And I remember I was outside a building and I didn't know what to do. And I just went inside the building and I sat on the ground, and some family walked in and they looked at me and said, "Arey, Shahid Kapoor." I said, "Arey, aap yahan rehte hain?" So they said, "Haan, hum to yahan rehte hain." I said, "Main aapke ghar mein aa jaun?" So I went and sat in their house for 4 hours. And that's my longest memory. And I remember from the window, I could see the Indian bus was going, and everybody was going berserk. And that's, I think, something which all of us will remember for the rest of our lives. He won the World Cup for us. And so huge respect to him. He's a huge icon.
Imagine the 2019 elections have the following candidates: Amir Khan, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Priyanka Chopra, Ratan Tata, and Ramdev Baba. Who would you vote for and why?
Thank you for the question, Malaika. In these particular elections, I believe that all the candidates have equally contributed to make our country shine. But the candidate that I would vote for will be Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The reason being, he has some qualities that a great leader should possess. First being, he's captain cool. He can take situations in a very calm way. Secondly, he always encourages his teammates to play better. That's teamwork. And the third one being that he always helps others. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
His cricket ability, his understanding of the game, understanding of situations is priceless. To have this burden off his shoulders, I think he's going to enjoy the best phase of his career, as a batsman is concerned, and he'll be able to enjoy his cricket far more than he's ever done before, without the burden of, being under the scanner all the time. So I'm really, really happy for him, as I said, and at the same time, I feel grateful and lucky that he's still around to give me advice.
कोई वर्ड ही नहीं है, अगर आप उनसे इंटरेक्ट करते हैं। मैं लास्ट 6 मंथ से मैं माई भाई के साथ हूँ, तो मैं बात करता रहता हूँ अपनी बॉलिंग के। जब भी मैं मैच खेलता हूँ तब भी उनसे मैं बात करता रहता हूँ कि उनसे अच्छा कोई आपको जज नहीं कर सकता। वो विकेट के पीछे रहते हैं, आपको बताते रहते हैं कि आपको क्या करना है। तो मेरे लिए बहुत प्राउड की बात है कि मैं उनके साथ खेल रहा हूँ, और मैं बहुत लकी फील करता हूँ कि मैं उनके 300 मैच में मैं रहूँगा। तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है अगर आपके साथ माही भाई जैसे लेजेंड आपके साथ हो, और और इससे ज़्यादा कुछ कह ही नहीं सकता.
So I think MS was very critical in that fashion for me. Even when I was a no one and started playing for CSK, he used to listen to whatever fields I said, and even getting the square leg up in the first 6 and not having a deep square leg was something that's not been done before by a spinner. Or even to the first time I started bowling the carom ball, he was the one that was very encouraging of it and all that.
MS Dhoni is still the best leader. This is my first game under Smith, but he's learning from MS Dhoni as well. I mean, I was actually watching them, and he was taking advices from MS Dhoni. So yes, I mean, he would like to take more advices from MS Dhoni.
About Dhoni's captaincy, I think he's extremely calm, he's positive, he reads the game well, and he tries to be a step ahead of the opposition, and he's done a fantastic job there. I've enjoyed playing cricket with him and playing under him. I'd like to wish my own.
MS has got this fantastic personality of remaining calm under any situation. A lot of people have asked me that have played with him, how does he remain so calm? I say he doesn't show it. From inside he's different, from outside he's different, and that's a great quality of a captain. It's a thing which keeps going around in the dressing room and the players, and I think he's been a great servant of the game. I think he gets a lot of respect. We only look at the criticism, but I think the amount of respect he gets in India is unbelievable.
One of the best captain we have, and we should respect that. And when you ask question, you have a doubt in your mind. I have no doubt. So I don't even talk about him. He's the best captain.
Any other captain, be it from the IPL, be it from international, be it the ones from the past, anyone current?
Look, I've played under Saurav, I've played under Rahul, MS, Viru. I somehow felt that I enjoyed a lot under MS.
The journey has been good, fantastic. It's good to have players like you. The job becomes much more easier, and enjoyed my 10 years. Hopefully I'll enjoy more whatever I have.
Well, you've been one of the best captains ever. Would like to tell you that, and it's been amazing playing under you, winning 3 big championships, World Cup, and being the #1 test team under you. And
thanks to you, I witnessed the 6 sixes at the best seat.
Thanks, mate. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to go and slog as always. And what I want to ask you?
Don't ask me anything.
भूल गया यार मैं पूछे ज़्यादा now. Oh yeah, now since you're not the captain, are you gonna hit more sixes now? Are you
Let's
gonna
see
be more fearless?
if they bowl in my areas, the right areas, and the situation permits, I'll look to hit 6. Four.